Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have AXS daily update. So let's see guys, where are we going? We stopped at 19.57 around there, Tether USD. Before we begin, if you like, join our monthly subscription guys. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos and many more benefits. You can cancel anytime you like and only 50 people can join in because I don't have the time for more. Also join our Telegram group chat, link is in the description down below. As well, we are a community that helps each other every day. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching guys. Let's go to our technical analysis. And we stopped from yesterday guys. We told you that we might go to 20 Tether USDT. We didn't, we stopped at 19.6 around there guys, and then we corrected just as expected, right? So therefore we have some major support levels to look for: 15.6, 13.1, 11.2 to 30 around there, and 9.2. Okay, so we have these Tether USD guys price labels, and we want to see whether we will stop around this area right here, or maybe we can make another move towards the 23.6 Tether USD. Okay, so let's see here the moving average of the volume right here. It is decreasing a little bit, although we have pretty high volume right there. And you can see that the MACD had another push towards the upwards. We just surpassed this resistance line, the previous high. But as you can see, the MACD, the highs are getting more horizontal, right? Therefore, we expect that we are reaching a top and you should be careful. So anyway, guys, I believe that if we just go beyond this previous support level right here, then we will go all the way down for the MACD. So we don't want to go all the way down for the MACD indicator. Let's go now to AXS Tether USD, and you can see that we have the 20-day EMA above the 50-day EMA, and we made the 20-day EMA as support level in this bullish run, this impulsive wave. So we are still standing good, but this the table might turn. You can see the bearish divergence here on the RSI, lower highs and higher highs in the price. Therefore, guys, this is an indicator that we are going and we are achieving a top, right? Whether it is now, whether it should be the 23.6, I believe maybe we have another run, but the possibilities are getting smaller as I told you guys in the previous video yesterday, right? So you can see the commodity channel index is now between -100 and 100. For the commodity channel index, where we will understand that we are going down is eventually maybe we go all the way down for the commodity channel index around this area right here, then we will understand maybe that this is over. The impulsive wave is over because commodity channel index follows a pattern like this with some higher lows, and eventually the commodity channel index doesn't go near the -100, the bottom line. Same for the RSI, as you can see. On an impulsive wave, guys, we are making this pattern right here with higher lows, and of course the highs are above the 70, so we have a very huge risk. The stochastic RSI now is going down, but the stochastic RSI doesn't have any patterns. That's why it is better on achieving bottom lines as we are going and having an impulsive wave, right? Because this is the only one that goes into an oversold situation. The other risk metrics, the commodity channel index and the RSI, don't go into an oversold situation. Therefore, when we have an impulsive wave, guys, always look at the stochastic RSI. You can see here how many times we found the bottom due to the stochastic RSI and then went upwards. So you could trade very good if you just watched the stochastic RSI and you just trade it here, for example, then buy here, sell here, or around here, for example, due to the stochastic RSI, sell here, buy here, and of course afterwards sell here. Okay, so it works perfectly fine. Let's go now to AXS Tether USD. You can see the Bollinger Bands. We are just moving along the top line of the Bollinger Bands, so nothing to talk about. This is what happens when we are moving, when we're having actually an impulsive wave. We are moving along the top line of the Bollinger Bands. The difference is on a bearish market that we are moving along the bottom line. When we have an extreme bearish market, then we are going along the bottom line. So here we are, guys, on the daily frame. Look at the RSI, a very high risk during those days, but it is very healthy in an impulsive way to have the 70, the RSI above the 70 as well. So you can see the commodity channel index above the 100, and you can see that the stochastic RSI is above the 80 for the daily frame, right? The MACD is going higher, although it will tend to just go more horizontal as we go on and then fall down. I believe this will be the movement for the MACD for AXS. Okay, so let's go to SSL HYBRID in case we have a selling opportunity right here. No, we don't have yet. We had a blue arrow right here, and we don't have a red arrow. We don't have to short our position right there. Okay, so we are mainly good for now, but you should be careful. Okay, so let's go to AXS Bitcoin chart. You can see that the bearish divergence, the bearish RSI divergence is here as well on the AXS Bitcoin chart. Therefore, you should be really careful. I won't go much into the AXS Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour frame and on the daily frame because they look exactly like the Tether USD charts. Where we have a higher MACD than the previous one, we had a bearish cross right here. We don't want to fall down from this previous support line over here for the MACD. Same for the stochastic RSI. We are going into an oversold, although we are not yet. The commodity channel index is above the -100, near the 46, around there. Okay, so definitely, guys, we should be careful. It looks identical to the USDT chart, the AXS Bitcoin chart, right? So let's go now to AXS Bitcoin in the daily frame. You can see the further distance we have between the 20-day EMA and the price, the better, the higher the risk, right? And therefore, guys, you should expect this high risk over there. The RSI is above the 70, commodity channel index above the 100. The MACD is going upwards, but we might see a bearish cross right there. Not soon, but we will see the angle going a little bit down. You can see that the MACD is lagging a bit behind the price action. Okay, so the stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation. I want to go quickly and stay more into the price analysis, and you can see that we have the 15.6, 13.2, 11.2 and 9.31. Okay, so eventually, guys, we might make one more run, but in order for you to be safe is to buy when we make this as a support level. Okay, when we make this as support level, because we might have a double top right there and then fall. Okay, we have seen this, so we need to make this as support level and then eventually sell your position at 23.6. This is a 20% swing high, right? And you will have 20% profits. It is not bad as well, and you need to be safe right now because we have some high risk involved right there, and I want you to be safe. Okay, so therefore that's why I told you guys to wait a little bit on the daily frame. Let's see, we formed a bearish candle. Not yet, we haven't formed a really bearish candle on the daily frame, but anyway, guys, we stopped around there at 19.6. let me just yeah, here we go, guys. And of course, as you can see right there, we have some support levels, some strong support levels in case we correct down. The 13.2 and 11.2, right, and the 9.35. If this is the top, guys, that we have higher possibilities that this might be the top or another last swing high. This will be our last swing high. We have another one. This will be our last, guys. I believe this will be our last. So anyway, as we go down, guys, if we go down from here, what you want to do is that we advised from yesterday, you just want to invest some money in this area right here, because yeah, it happens most of the times, guys. If you look at the charts, if you have any experience, you will notice that it goes down, then it goes upwards into the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, then it goes down again around there. Okay, so you can you can invest some money right there if we go down, and of course we will have another swing high and then we will fall all the way down, consolidating, so it doesn't worth going in, right? And you can see that AXS right now 15.6, 13.2, 11.2, 9.35. Okay, 19.6 is the price targets for the next short-term period in case we correct. All right, so we have the 23.6 in case we go upwards, I believe this is another high that we might be making. But anyway, guys, you should be really careful from now on. I advise you why the RSI bearish divergence right here, and I just made this video to see where are we right now. Although, guys, I will tell you something that I found today, right? I believe that it is still holding strong. In my opinion, guys, it is still holding strong. So maybe we are in for another swing high. But we will see about that. We will see about that, though. I don't want to say anything that we might make a mistake right here, and you invest and we just go, we never go there, and you will invest and you will accuse me of saying something that didn't happen. Okay, so we need to take it step by step. So in order to minimize the risk, what are you doing? You just invest when we make this as support level. Then yes, you can swing trade right there. Okay, for around 20% or maybe even less, whatever you want, guys. This we had a 25% action, so I expect the next swing high to be if we want to have a less percentage swing action, because we are approaching a top. You can see the bearish divergence. We are approaching a top right here. Lower highs in the RSI, higher highs in the price. As you can see here, higher highs in the price, and therefore if we have another swing high, it will be around 23 Tether USD. Okay, so anyway, guys, I do believe that we might go there if we don't fall further into lower support levels. So you need to be careful and watch a little bit now the market. If you want to invest right now, I suggest you do not, even though this is your own risk, this is your own decision, guys. This is not a financial advice and you can do whatever you like, right? But anyway, guys, I would suggest you that we have a very high risk right here. But if we make this as support level, we won't, because we will be making another higher high, and therefore it is better to just minimize the risk, guys, and get in when it is safe, rather than investing right here and see all your money crumbling down to 13.2, 11.2, or maybe even the 9.37. Okay. So anyway, you can see that according to STOCH RSI, we are not in an oversold situation yet. If we found support level in the 15.6 and we go upwards, guys, it might be possible. The Bitcoin chart right here, we don't care about the Bitcoin chart. The reason is, guys, the AXS doesn't care, because we outperform Bitcoin all the way, starting from the 29th June around there, maybe a little behind, 27th, and going around there at 10th July, we just make this incredible impulsive wave for me, guys. Incredible impulsive wave, and you can see that AXS right now might be ready for another move. We will see about that. If you see it going steadily into the 15.6 and staying right there, and maybe doesn't touch the 13.2, this is an indication that we might see another swing high, right? But we have the lower RSI bearish divergence right here. If we do something like this and then fall down again, it will be our last, I think, swing high. If we have another swing high, it will be our last. Maybe we achieve a double top, as we said, and then fall down. We will see about that, though, but we have a very high risk. For now, guys, just follow the advice of the previous video that we have these as support levels, and now we are moving. We are looking forward to test first the 15.6, the 15.7, secondly the 13.25 to 13.3 around there, and 11.2 Tether USD. The 0.618, if we just go there, is for just for some time afterwards, right? Because eventually it is for the midterm, it is not so much for the short term. And join our monthly subscription, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe. Also join our Telegram group chat. Links are in the description down below. You will find them. And thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are, guys. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.